Hey guys, Enrique here with Luminatech, and I am here today with the Workstation / gaming build log. So in the last part we talked about some of the parts that are going to be going into this build, but some of the parts have changed due to pricing and availability because we are on the LGA1366 platform. But I'll be sure to go over that. We'll go over the new parts that we chosen. So yeah, right now we're going to go over some of the parts and the old PC that I'm switching from. So here we have the old motherboard to my old rig. This is the MSI P41 Neo version 1.0, I'm guessing. So yeah, this only had 4 gigs of RAM and a Core 2 Quad Q8400. Here we have the GT640, which was also in my old rig with the Core 2 Quad. It has a 1 gig frame buffer and a 900 MHz base clock. So the drives that I went with for my new PC are 2 WD Scorpios 500 gig drives, a WD Blue 7200 RPM 250 gig drive, and an Intel XM25 120 gig SSD for my boot drive. So the card that I went with is a Gigabyte Radeon 7850. This comes factory overclocked at 1250 MHz with 2 gigs of GDDR5 RAM, and I got this all for around 77 bucks. So the new motherboard that I've gone with instead of the EVGA board is an MSI X58 Platinum. I went with this board instead of the EVGA board due to the unavailability of the EVGA board, and the new RAM that I've chosen is 12 gigs of Kingston Value RAM. So right now we're going to go into a build log and put this PC together, see how it turns out. So now we're booting on the PC. This is going to give you an idea on how fast the boot times are on this Xeon. And once we get the PC booted up, we're going to run a stress test to check the temps and let it run for a while just to make sure everything is fine, we don't get any crashes or anything. And after that, we're going to be benchmarking the PC. We're going to run a Unigine Valley on Ultra at 1920 by 1080p and a common game like Battlefield 3. So that's going to be our benchmarks for this PC for now. So there you have it, my Xeon gaming workstation. I'm not going to lie, I'm very pleased with the performance of this PC, and especially how old this processor is. I am very happy on the performance that this PC is getting me. And I know I have not got the case to this PC, but I couldn't wait to put it together, so I ended up making the video to put this, just to finish it. And I'm going to be making a case swap video later on once I get the case and once I get the money to get the case. So I am looking forward to that. So remember, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.